Hey everyone! You know my job is to find the newest tools that make your life easier, right? Well, I just found a game changer. Imagine this. Instead of juggling 5 different tabs, paying for multiple AI tools, and wasting time switching between them, you get everything you need to create videos, edit, design, and narrate, all in one platform. This isn't just for faceless YouTube creators. It works for any AI-related content, from tutorials to social media posts. And the tool's name? Vadoo AI. This thing has some of the biggest AI models in the world built right in. We're talking Google Veo 3, Kling 2.1, Standard, Pro, and Master, High-Law, Runway, Flux Pro, Google Imagen, Ideagen, and more. By the way, I've reviewed some of these tools individually on my channel. If you want to check those breakdowns, click the little I in the top right corner. Today I'm going to show you how Vadoo AI can help you generate AI videos, create stunning AI images, make AI voiceovers, edit videos automatically, remove image backgrounds, and even design thumbnails all in one place. And if you want me to go super deep into all its capabilities, hit that like button. If this video hits 10,000 likes, I'll do a full masterclass tutorial. Let's start with the big one. AI video. On the home screen, head over to AI video. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Vadoo gives you multiple video generation models to choose from, like Kling Standard version 2.1, Kling Pro version 2.1, Kling Master version 2.1, High-Law, Pixverse, and, of course, Veo 3. Each one has a different credit cost and quality level. For example, Veo 3 costs 600 credits and takes around 5 minutes to generate. Lower credit models might be faster, but could be lower quality, so I recommend testing them to see which works best for your project. For this tutorial, I'm going with Kling Master Veo AI. I'll choose aspect ratio 16:9, duration 10 seconds. This video came out stunning, almost towing the line between AI and reality. From the man, to the hat, to the car, the details are on point. I'm loving the look. Now, I did spot a couple of AI quirks, like the man's hand casually phasing through the steering wheel. Apparently, he's part driver, part ghost. But honestly, little glitches aside, this video still looks fantastic. As you can see, it nailed the cinematic style with smooth motion and rich detail. Next up, AI images. This feature uses fewer credits than video, so you can experiment a lot. You can pick your aspect ratio, choose from multiple styles, sketch, fantasy, illustration, painting, and more, and set how many images you want. I picked Google Imagen 3. Some models even give you multiple variations automatically. Again, I'll use ChatGPT to generate a prompt, paste it in, and hit generate. So, Vadoo AI gave me 2 images for this test. And honestly, the sky and buildings, absolutely nailed it. Gorgeous colors, cinematic vibes, the kind of skyline you'd want as your wallpaper. But the people? Yeah, you might need a magnifying glass for this one. They're technically there, but they're more like background Easter eggs than actual characters. It's like Vadoo said, sure, I'll give you people, just don't expect to recognize them. Now let's check out the AI voiceover feature. You get up to 1,000 characters per generation, which is less than something like 11 labs, but still good for short scripts. I'll type in my text, select a voice. I'm going with Ash for this demo, hit submit and generate. Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps keep me motivated to bring you more content like this. My mission here is simple: to show you creative, powerful ways to leverage AI so you can turn it into real income. Sounds pretty good, right? Clean and natural. This is one of my favorite features, AI Cut. It automatically edits your videos for you. Just upload your MP4 file or paste a YouTube link. For example, I uploaded an 18 GB video, and it estimated only 350 credits to edit. It's designed for things like podcasts, educational videos, commentary, product reviews, motivational speeches, gaming videos, music videos. We're going to find a random video, copy and paste the link to Vadoo. As you can see, Vadoo produced about 8 video clips we can repurpose for short-form content. And here's the cool part. On the left-hand side, Vadoo gives each clip a viral score, letting you know how likely it is to blow up online. Need to cut out backgrounds? The AI background remover makes it as simple as uploading your image and boom, your subject is isolated perfectly. Perfect for thumbnails, e-commerce product shots or social media posts. The background removal tool did a good job here. Finally, AI thumbnails. Just drop in the link to your video and it will create thumbnail options for you. We all know thumbnails can make or break a video, so this is a big deal. Here are the results of the thumbnail. I'm pretty sure with more iterations it will produce better results. Alright guys, finally, let's talk pricing for Vadoo. Now, Vadoo doesn't offer a free plan since it's an all-in-one platform. Even when you sign up, you start with 0 credits. When you hit the subscription page, you'll see 3 main price tiers. First up, the starter plan. If you go yearly, it's $13.33 per month. That gives you 1,500 credits per month, 2 parallel tasks, credit top-up, rate 70 credits for $1, AI videos, AI images, AI training, AI captions, transitions, all included, scheduled publishing 3 times a week. Next, we have Pro Plan. Yearly, it's $27.30 per month. The main differences from Starter are that they give you 3,500 credits per month, more than double Starter. They allow 3 parallel tasks, credit, top-up rate 80 credits for $1, and then, finally, Advanced Plan. This one is $99 per month yearly and comes with 10,000 credits per month, 5 parallel tasks pan, unlimited VO3 fast and relaxed video generation, unlimited mid-journey V7 image generation, unlimited music generation pan quote, credit top-up rate, 90 credits for $1 pan quote. Now, Vadoo does have a pay-as-you-go option. If you don't want a monthly subscription, Vadoo lets you buy credits directly. 600 credits will cost you $10. 1,200 credits will cost you $20. 3,000 credits will cost you $50. For comparison, 1,500 credits without a subscription would cost $25 versus $13.33 or $20 with a plan. So subscription pricing is definitely cheaper if you use it regularly. Now, if we go explore the monthly pricing and discounts, you will see that the starter package is $20 per month for the first month, 50% off, so $10. The Pro package is $40 per month for the first month, 40% off, so $25. And as for the Advanced, they said no way they would be giving anyone a discount, so it stays as $100 per month. So if you're just testing things out, the starter plan with that 50% first month discount might be your best low-risk entry point. But if you're going heavy on generation, that Advanced plan with unlimited tools is the one to look at. And there you have it. Vadoo AI is like having 10 different AI tools in one place. No more switching tabs. No more paying for 5 different subscriptions. Everything you need. Video, images, voice, editing, backgrounds, thumbnails, all here. If you want to try it out for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description. Oh, and in my captions, you'll also find links to my favorite AI tools like 11 Labs for realistic voice narration, Kling AI for insane quality video generation, Canva and CapCut for editing and design. Hit like if this video helped you. Drop a comment if you have questions, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss my next AI breakdown. Your job, start creating. My job, keep finding you tools to make it faster, easier, and cheaper. I'll see you in the next one.